Alright, what's up guys? It's Evan from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a backflip for beginners and kids on ground. Alright, so first disclaimer, definitely do not try it on concrete your first time. We're just too lazy to go to the grass area over there. So yeah, definitely find some soft grass for your first time. Okay, so you definitely should have a standing backflip on the trampoline. Make sure you know how to tuck. If you have a tight tuck, and you can do it on trampoline standing just like that, and just land it easy like every time, then I think you're ready to go try it on ground. Alright, so for the backflip, all you're gonna do is just like a normal backflip on the tramp. Stay here. I like to have my arms up before I do it, and then I go here, I bring them down, I give a little bit of bend in my knees, not too much where I'm like here and I'm struggling to get out of it, but not too little where I'm just like doing it without bending my knees. Okay, so here, a little bit of bend in the knees, push up, explode. You want to bring your arms up like this, okay, here, and you don't want to throw your head back, okay? A lot of people, you'll just go for it and just like, it looks really bad, but so you want to make sure, try to like, I know it's really scary, try to focus on something, like look at something for as long as you can in your backflip and then go into it, because that'll make sure that your head stays neutral and you'll get the most amount of height from that. Okay, so arms up here, there, swing up, explode, jump. So here, jump up, and you guys don't need to have like a super high vertical for this. A lot of people think, oh, you have to be able to jump super high to be able to land a backflip. No, it's a lot of technique here and just going straight up. And then, okay, so for the tuck, once you're in the air, you want to grab your shins. I recommend grabbing your shins. I think it's a lot easier. Well, it depends. A lot of people do this too. Grab under. It doesn't really matter. Under or over. I prefer over, but it's whatever you want. So to do the backflip for beginners and kids on ground, yeah, so what you want to do, you jump up, grab your tuck, pull it in as tight as you can, and you're tight as you can, and then when you come around, look for the ground and open up. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll show you a backflip right now. Arms up, bend. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. You want to go up, get as high as you can, jump as hard as you can, and just give it everything you got. Grab that tuck, and then when you see the ground, open up and land. Okay, I'll show you one more. Arms up here. Okay, alright guys, that's how to do a backflip for beginners and kids on ground.
I'm Evan's big brother Aaron, and I just wanted to share something really quick with you. So I wanted to talk about pornography. Pornography, there's so many damaging effects of pornography that people don't realize, and I just want to spread the word about it. So if you want to hear more about that and more about the truth that helped me with my depression and all that, just click the link in the description and I'll be more than happy to share with you more about pornography. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. God bless. Have a great day. Again, that was how to do a backflip on ground for kids and beginners. God bless.